Ever wondered what makes the Space Shuttle Discovery truly remarkable? What if I told you its wingspan could cover an entire basketball court? Yes, you heard it right. The Discovery's wingspan, spanning 78 feet, is wider than the length of a basketball court, a surprising fact that sets the stage for the marvels we're about to explore. Beyond its sheer size, the Discovery has completed over 30 missions, covering more than 148 million miles in space. It's not just a shuttle, it's a testament to human ingenuity and exploration. From deploying the Hubble Space Telescope, to assembling the International Space Station, the Discovery played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of the universe. Each mission etches a chapter in the annals of space exploration. Behind its iconic exterior lies cutting-edge technology. Its thermal protection system shields it from temperatures exceeding 2000 degrees Fahrenheit during reentry, a feat of engineering that ensures both safety and success. Today, the Space Shuttle Discovery stands as a symbol of human achievement, retired but not forgotten. It resides in the Smithsonian, a living testament to the era when we dared to reach for the stars. So, next time you gaze at the stars, remember the shuttle that once soared among them, revealing the secrets of the cosmos. The Space Shuttle Discovery, a true marvel that bridged the gap between Earth and the unknown.